Hi, there's Juan here with LGG Media, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add your Instagram account inside of your business manager so you can run ads using that Instagram account. So first thing you're going to do is head over to your business manager, head over to the business manager settings, select your business manager on the top left corner. If you don't know how to get here, go to business.facebook.com/settings. Make sure you select your business manager first. So you can just, or you can, if you find it at the top left corner, you can click on the settings here. This will open up this screen that you're seeing right now. So once you're in here, you're going to go down to the accounts, head over to Instagram accounts. Once you find your profile, click on add, and then connect your Instagram account. It's going to prompt you to put in your login credentials for Instagram. You're going to accept all the terms and conditions. And perhaps it may ask you to verify it with an SMS or an email for your first time logging in through this device. So once you are in, you will see your Instagram profile being added here in this column. On the right hand side here, you're going to see that there's going to be people associated to it. Make sure you add yourself as a person and give yourself full admin privileges to this Instagram profile. What you're going to do next is go head over to connected assets and go to assets and associate the ad account to the Instagram profile. So if I want to advertise using this ad account and I want to use the Instagram profile, only this ad account will be eligible to run ads instead of my Instagram profile. So click on add like this, and that's it. You're all set. If you have any questions, feel free to put them down in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Take care.